Wait at least 24 hours after laying a bathroom floor tile before grouting to protect tile adhesion and ensure proper set. When setting tile with thinset mortar, allow the full curing time recommended by the mortar manufacturer, which is normally 24 to 48 hours depending on temperature and humidity. Keep foot traffic off the area and maintain steady room temperature between 65 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit while the mortar cures. Use spacers to maintain even joints and wipe away excess mortar from grout lines within 15 to 30 minutes of setting each tile so grout adhesion is not compromised later. Before grouting, check for hollow sounds by tapping tiles with a rubber mallet. Any hollow areas may indicate insufficient mortar coverage and should be lifted and rebed. If you used an epoxy or rapid set mortar, follow the specific cure time listed, which can be shorter but often requires full manufacturer times to reach final strength. Mix grout to a creamy but stiff consistency and perform a small test area to confirm color and absorption on your tiles before proceeding across the whole floor. The three most common mistakes are rushing the grout and disturbing uncured mortar, leaving excess mortar in joints that prevents good grout adhesion, and grouting over tiles that have hollow spots. Rushing the grout is fixed by waiting at least 24 hours and longer in cool, damp conditions and restricting traffic during curing. Removing excess mortar promptly and cleaning joints with a damp sponge before full set prevents poor adhesion. For hollow spots, lift and rebond the affected tiles after the mortar has cured so the new bedding is uniform and stable before grouting. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and hosts a discussion community where we share tips and contractor experiences about projects like grouting timing. We help contractors find work by letting them join conversations, showcase their expertise, and connect with homeowners looking for project help.